Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I recreated the skunk stripe again using Beauty Forever Hair Company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customized, bleached, and dyed this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Bye!
Reesie, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received a nice little goodie bag, which came with a wig cap, a scarf, some hair clips, some mink lashes, and a silk wig bag. This unit is a 24-inch loose wave human hair natural black wig at 150% density with a natural hairline and baby hairs at 13x4 lace unit with adjustable straps and combs. So on day one, we are going to bleach our knots. I'm taking my Blonde Me 35 volume developer and applying that onto the wig and letting that wig sit for about 30 minutes. And once 30 minutes is up, I like to go in and wash that developer out. I then go ahead and bleach with powder and developer, mix that up. I did use the same 35 volume developer. And then don't forget to apply the blast freeze spray and comb the hairs back to avoid over bleaching. Then we're gonna add our mixture onto the frontal and then get some foil and a towel, and I let that sit for 30 minutes. Then I wash it out with shampoo and purple conditioner. This is day 2, you guys. This is how the hair looks in its natural state. Now we are going to prepare to bleach our skunk stripes. So what I like to do is part the hair in the middle first and then part 2 inches away from the middle part on each side. Once the parting is nice and straight, make sure you get some blast freeze spray, comb the little hairs back, and braid up the part that we are not dyeing, which is going to be the middle of the head. So as you can see, I parted maybe like 3 or 4 inches away, and then on each side we're going to dye. So I separated the frontal from the tracks and then spraying that spray to avoid wherever I'm not bleaching. This is the same technique that I'm doing as my first skunk stripe, like on my green skunk stripe tutorial. And then I'm taking my Blonde Me powder and 35 volume developer, some foil, and then we're going to mix that together in a bowl. And of course, don't forget your gloves, you guys. And this technique is a longer technique, but I feel like doing this way will definitely help the process. So what I like to do is apply the bleach onto the foil and then parting a very small piece and applying the bleach throughout the hair. I do use a comb to bleach or to comb through the bleach or through the hair with the bleach, so I can avoid, like, you know, any spots that I might have missed. And then doing that again with the foil. And don't be afraid to spread the hair out on the foil so you can get every strand. So So I basically do this on both sides. So we are doing double skunk stripes today. I'm super excited. The results came out bomb. So basically I let this foil on for about an hour, and then I washed it out with regular shampoo, purple conditioner, and then I let it sit with some silicone mix just to regain the the moisture back into the bleached hair. So this is day 3, you guys. It lifted really good. I got this golden brown color. To be honest, I probably could have lifted it one more time so the pink could actually look very pink instead of like a reddish, because I did use pink rose and the color did come out a little bit more darker just because the hair wasn't lifted as light. So definitely take that into consideration. If you are trying to have like a very bright, vibrant color, maybe you should lift the hair twice and then dye the color. But if you like a more moody, darker color, one lift is fine enough. And as you can see, I am just parting it in small sections and working in small sections, avoiding dyeing the knots onto the lace, because then that defeats the purpose of us, bleaching the knots, Alrighty, so this is day 4. Right here, I'm just going to be plucking this unit, layering the unit, and then just customizing it so it can be ready to put on my head. This hairline was bomb, you guys. I just love the quality of Beauty Forever hair. In my opinion, it dyes good. Look at how bomb and vibrant this color is. Overall, loved it. Definitely take your time. Don't try to combine multiple days into a day, because then the quality of the hair won't, it just won't look bomb. Just take your time with it. Have other wigs on hand and stand by while you're just customizing this unit. And yeah, so here I'm just going to apply this unit. You already know I'm gonna play some vibey music while you watch me install this unit, and I'll see you guys towards the outro.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed that song. It was a jam. So here I'm just working on my baby hairs. Don't forget to, you know, pluck some baby hairs out. Don't have too much hairs out. Let me know if you guys want another detailed tutorial on how I do my baby hairs. I don't know. I think it's just more of like a practice thing. Like you just have to continuously practice on the baby hairs for it to come out good. Here I'm taking out my pen curls. I let the curls dry. You know, I did my makeup and I already layered this unit on the dome head, so I don't have to cut too much bangs into this unit. So I comb forward with a wide tooth comb, shake my hair up a little bit, and then comb the hair back. And that's how, you know, you get your volume. This unit is very silky, so the curls did start to fall after, like, you know, a couple hours. So definitely, you know, let the curls hold a little bit longer, you know. See, look at how the curls kind of fell a little bit. But overall, I loved how this wig came out. It's giving me very much punk rock type of vibe. I want to thank you so much, Beauty Forever Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to